Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make quick chocolate sauce. First, gather your ingredients. 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll also need a small saucepan and a whisk. This simple recipe is perfect for last-minute dessert toppings and comes together in just about 5 minutes, making it incredibly convenient for any occasion. Let's start by combining the dry ingredients. In your small saucepan, add 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Use your whisk to thoroughly combine these two ingredients. Mixing them well now is crucial to prevent any lumps from forming later, ensuring a smooth and silky chocolate sauce. This simple step makes a big difference in the final texture. Now it's time to add the liquid and cook. Gradually whisk in 1/2 cup of milk into your dry mixture in the saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with your whisk. Continue to cook the sauce until it thickens to your desired consistency. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, creating a rich and glossy chocolate sauce. Once your sauce has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra layer of flavor. Your quick chocolate sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm over ice cream, pancakes, cakes, or fresh fruit. It's incredibly versatile and delicious. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.